Hi friends, welcome to Ajay Solutions YouTube channel. Today in this video we will see how to apply farmer ID card. So in 2025 farmer ID eligibility, who can apply for this farmer ID card? Small or marginal farmers, or landowners or tenant farmers, these can apply for farmer ID card. Complete document checklist. So these are the documents you should have are required documents to apply farmer ID card. Aadhaar card, land ownership papers, 7 by 12 extract, Katwani, Pattadari or Patta passbook or bank account passbook linked with Aadhaar, ration card, passport size photos, mobile number linked to Aadhaar, tenant farmer proof, lease agreement affidavit. So now we will see how to apply online application walkthrough, PM-Kisan portal or State Agriculture Department website. Through these portals, you can apply online. Or if you want to apply through offline mode, visit any common service center with along with your documents or visit agriculture officers to apply manually. So you should avoid these common mistakes: incorrect land records, mismatched Aadhaar, bank details, incomplete forms. So avoid these mistakes. Like this you can apply for your farmer ID card in your state. Different states have different procedures, so follow the respected procedures and apply for farmer ID card. So thanks for watching my video friends. If you like my explanation, please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and if you have any doubts please comment below and share to others. Thank you.